This is a tensile membrane carport system, built with a lightweight I-beam steel frame and a white PVDF membrane roof. B1 fire rated, providing long-lasting shade and rain protection. Our exclusive 7-shape double span design combines structural stability, clean aesthetics, and fast installation. With a modular structure and efficient construction, it's ideal for parking lots, EV charging stations, and semi-permanent public spaces. A modern minimal look that protects vehicles and upgrades the entire space. To learn more about customs tensile membrane solutions, visit www.jutent.com.